Thank you for clicking this video and tapping in with your girl and Daisha. Pretty much what you're about to see in the clip, I didn't really do an intro yesterday. I wanted to rush to kind of do the empty apartment tour before my helper was going to help me unload my car. So essentially, I moved from New Jersey to Dallas, Texas. I literally hopped in my car. I only brought here what could fit in my car, nothing else. And the only piece of furniture I actually have is this desk chair that I'm sitting on. And I'm so glad that I was able to fit it because I really, really love this chair. So what you're about to see again is a completely empty apartment. I absolutely love this apartment. I actually leased it without physically seeing it. I viewed several other apartments, and I'll probably post that video after. I viewed several other apartments. I loved one, but the way things, I got approved and everything. But I got a job right after I applied and got approved, and then I was like, well, I want something that would be a little bit closer to work. So I started the search again, and I found this apartment, and I spoke to my locator. She was like, this is actually a really great apartment. It was a good find, and we just got the ball rolling, and I got approved, and I finally moved in. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up. What you're about to see is my empty apartment tour, and I hope that you watch my next video and see the things that I got day 2 of being here. So thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you like about the apartment. I'm literally in love. I didn't shoot the amenities, but I think I'll do it in a separate video. I just want to be a little bit more settled in to my apartment and comfortable enough, and then I'll be sure to go and probably include it in one of the room tours what the amenities are. So take care. About to see me right now. Bye. So this is what the main door looks like when you're facing it. So when you come in, this is what you see. So you have the kitchen. This is the only things that I have in here right now. I'm gonna unpack my stuff right after. Unpack what I have so far right after. Did you see? And then to the right, the first set of doors, of course, is the washer and dryer. So that is there. And of course, there's like a light switch. After that, when you turn left, you come to the kitchen area. So you have the fridge, stove, microwave, an island. I'm just gonna show you from this angle. So it's pretty much standard appliances. I feel like a lot of apartments that I see like this pretty much, you know, standard stuff, fridge, all that type of stuff. Microwave, electric stove. I've never used an electric stove before. In New York and New Jersey, we have gas stoves. I won't say that I'm like a chef, but when I do cook, I'm used to a gas stove, but I'm gonna have to get used to an electric stove. There's tons of storage. There's no pantry closet, but I'm not gonna need one. It's just me. I can't imagine having so much food or utensils that I need an extra closet. And then of course the island, it comes with the trash can. We have to like put it out every night for them to collect the trash. There's a bit more storage under here, which probably my cleaning supplies will go. And then of course I have a dishwasher. Here she said that the AC unit is in here. I asked her if I needed a key for this. She said that it would only be like if maintenance, I guess, is coming in, whatever. I'm gonna ask her again tomorrow when I see her though. And then let me just put on the lights. So this is the living room. Just a pretty decent size because I'm not gonna have a dining room. I'm just gonna get some stools to put on this side of the island. Simple stools, push that in. Again, it's just me living here. And then I'll have a couch. I don't think I'm gonna get a TV. I actually want a projection screen, so I think I'm gonna have like just just shelves and stuff. And then I'm also just gonna get like a projection screen and a projector so that if I ever do have company and they wanna watch some stuff, they can. Of course, I have a patio. It's a push. So cute little patio. It's big enough. I'm the first person to live in the apartment, so that is good. This is like the outside of my community. My car is the one with all the stuff in it. We lock that. And then when I come in, you make a little left turn. It's so warm in here. This is my bedroom. I don't really feel like taking off my shoes right now to walk in, but it's a pretty decent size. I just got a queen bed. It's in like the locker room. I have to pick it up. Someone's gonna help me unpack my stuff from my car, and I'm gonna ask if he can help me go to the locker room and pick that up. And then here I just have a coat closet. A simple basic coat closet. All my coats should be able to fit right up in here. And last but not least is the bathroom. So we walk in, this is what you first see. This is the linen closet right here. So you know, towels, tissue, toilet tissue, paper towels, all that type of stuff. And then double sink and a huge mirror. I like that this one had a really huge mirror. I look like this because I've been driving for 2 days. I literally drove from New Jersey to Texas. And then the tub is a pretty deep tub. I wish it was slightly like bigger, like longer, because I'm tall. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I probably will still be taking, I'm not really a bath person, but on the weekends, if I want to relax, it'll be nice to be able to take a bath. And then I'm more of like a shower girl. And then of course, toilet, and they have something for like hand towels and stuff. And they have like toilet tissue. They also gave me paper towel. And she has some other stuff in a bag. I didn't open it yet. And then through the bathroom is my closet. So this is like a good amount of space. My last closet was literally tiny. I had clothes in different rooms, in different like spaces. Like it was a lot. So all my clothes should be able to fit in here. And I don't really want to get a dresser for my bedroom. So I'm probably going to get something where I could just put like my underwears and socks and that type of stuff in. That's more enclosed. But other than that, my other stuff, I'm hoping that everything fits in here. I think it will, but I'm not too sure. So yes, that's the end of the tour. I'm excited. And of course, when it's decorated, I'll probably do room by room, because I'm going to do my bedroom first. That's priority. And then the living room and kitchen and stuff, I'll show it as it goes along, because I'm very excited for this. So hope you stay tuned on the journey and give me a thumbs up if you like this video.